Hari Bol, Hare Krishna, everyone. If I'm audible, if I'm visible, please type in the chat box HB. Hare Krishna, very good morning. Hari Bol. Everyone, just as you're starting the session, I would request you to quietly close your eyes. Close your eyes with a smile on your faces. Close your eyes, have a smile on your face. And think about whatever you have in your life. Be thankful from your body, from your clothes, the people around you, this earth, the sky. Count randomly 10 things you have in your life. Whatever you think you have, keep your eyes closed and just be thankful to whatever you have in your life. जो भी है जिंदगी में, just be thankful for whatever you have in your life. And just say at the end, thank you so much, Krishna, for this, or any God, any energy you believe in. Thank you so much for this. And say it with a lot of heart and emotion, a lot of involvement. Just be thankful for whatever you have in your life. क्या बात है?
बुद्धिहीन तनु जाने के सुमेरम भवन कुमार.
Thankful for anything you have in your life.
बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु कलेश विकार. सियावर रामचंद्र पद जय शरणम. जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर.
Okay, if you're done with whatever you're thankful for, just complete it. Okay, if you're done with thankful for whatever you have, you can open your eyes. Kindly open your eyes, and if you're done with being thankful for whatever you have in your life, the God up there, whoever you believe in, the higher energies, the best form of worshipping is saying thank you for whatever you have given me. The higher energies don't want your roses, your flowers, your garlands. They just want to say, they just want to know that you acknowledge all the gifts that the higher energy has given to you, and you acknowledge it. And how do you acknowledge it? By just saying, thank you so much for whatever you have given me. It's important every morning, every day, to do this couple of minutes, thanking for whatever you have in your life. So let's get moving, my friend. Let's do Soham Dhyan. Okay, let's do this. How are you going to do Soham? It's very, very beautiful. My dear friend, just wherever you are, make sure if you can sit on the floor or a yoga mat, make sure you have your legs crossed. Apne leg cross karke, you can just sit quietly in Siddhasan, Ardha Siddhasan, Vajrasan, Padmasan, any position you feel like. And if you're comfortable just on sitting in your chair, chalega. Okay? Just sit in your chair very, very comfortably if you can. Keep your legs uncrossed. Keep your chest out, shoulders back. Keep your back very, very straight and erect. Not slouched. Back straight and erect. Chin parallel to the ground. You can have Yog Mudra. You can have Bhairavi Mudra. Any mudra you want, like this, left. Just sit quietly. Before you close your eyes, how you have to do Soham, I'll just tell you. You're going to breathe in deep from your nostrils. And as you're going to breathe in deep, in your mind, you're going to say, so. Where you're going to say? In your man mein. You're going to breathe in from your nostrils while saying so in your mind. And you're going to exhale while saying hum in your mind. You're going to breathe in with so in your mind. And exhale with hum in your mind. And how you're going to breathe in? You're going to breathe in how? Slow and deep. Not like this. No jerks. Slow and deep. And how you're going to exhale? Slow as possible. The slower the better, but not in jerks, in rhythm. Not like this. Okay? So I'll again show. You're going to breathe in with so in your mind, slow and deep. Exhale with saying hum in your mind. Slow. The slower you do, the beautiful it is. When you breathe in with absolute. You breathe in slow and very deeply. And you in your mind, you're going to say so in your mind. With breathing in and hum as you're going to exhale. Exhale very slowly. Also, one more thing. If you can see your breath like a blue color energy when you're breathing in. Just see like a blue color energy, this breath is going in. You can hold for a slight natural hold, like a second or two. And exhale very slowly. While exhaling, you will see this blue color energy very slowly coming out. Have a subtle smile on your face. Got it? If you've got it, kindly please type in the chat box GI. GI is got it. It is very beautiful. It is also called as Hamsa or So Hum. Because the natural sound of your breath is like this. The natural sound is so. The natural inhalation sound is so. The natural exhalation sound is hum. Okay? It's the natural sound of your breath. So, hum. Got it? Beautiful. So, with your eyes closed, my friend, chest out, shoulders back, back straight, chin parallel to the ground. Be in very comfortable position. Close your eyes, chin parallel to the ground. Keep your body loose and relaxed. Have a subtle smile on your face. And let's begin. Start. Enjoy breathing in slowly and deeply. And exhale very, very slowly. Exhale very, very slowly. Go slow. Reduce the speed even further. Lower it down. As you breathe in your mind say so. As you exhale, in your mind say hum. Enjoy watching the breath like a blue color energy going in with your inhalation. Watch the same blue color energy coming out from your nostrils with the exhalation. Enjoy breathing in slowly. Enjoy exhaling. The slower, the beautiful it is. You're doing so beautiful. Enjoy breathing in with so in your mind. Enjoy exhaling with hum in your mind. As you're breathing in, watch this blue color energy, this breath going in. This blue color breath is coming out. Just watch it going in and coming out. Enjoy the process. This is a life force. This is the prana that you're taking in, which is vitalizing your body and your mind. Enjoy breathing in with so in your mind. Enjoy exhaling with hum in your mind. Enjoy this beautiful inhalation, exhaling. You're doing beautiful. My dear friend, you can stop with Soham. Keep your eyes closed. Just lift your head a little up. Just tilt up your chin. Just tilt up your chin, and between your eyebrows, just visualize there is a beautiful, beautiful light. There is a flame between your eyebrows. Visualize there is a flame between your eyebrows. Take the darshan. Get your complete focus there with your eyes closed. And kindly repeat these words after me. This is who I am. I am not this body. I'm not this mind. I'm not my name. I'm not my nationality. I'm not my profession. I'm not my caste. I'm none of these. I am this light. I am this flame. I am this Atman. This is my true nature. This is who I am. My body is my servant. My mind is my servant. This flame is who I am. I am the master. My mind is my servant. This flame is me. This flame, this light is me, the Atman. My mind is my servant. I tell my mind what thoughts to think, and it thinks accordingly. My mind is my servant, and I, the flame, I am the master. I hold my mind in my hand. I control my mind. This flame is my real identity. I am the Atman. I am the consciousness. My dear flame, between your eyebrows, just see this light which is saying something. It is saying its true identity. It is describing itself through this beautiful Nirvana Shatakam.
मनोबुद्ध्यहङ्कार चित्तानि नाहं न च श्रोत्रजिह्वे न च घ्राणनेत्रे न च व्योमभूमिर्न तेजो न वायुः चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं
Keep your gaze between your eyebrows. This is the expression of your consciousness, of your Atman.
न च प्राणसंज्ञो न वै पञ्चवायुः न वा सप्तधातुर्न वा पञ्चकोशः न वाक्पाणिपादं न चोपस्थपायु चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं
Keep your gaze between your eyebrows.
न मे द्वेषरागौ न मे लोभमोहौ न मे वै मदो नैव मात्सर्यभावः न धर्मो न चार्थो न कामो न मोक्षः चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं न पुण्यं न पापं न सौख्यं न दुःखं न मन्त्रो न तीर्थं न वेदा न यज्ञा अहं भोजनं नैव भोज्यं न भोक्ता चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं न मे मृत्युशङ्का न मे जातिभेदः पिता नैव मे नैव माता न जन्मः न बन्धुर्न मित्रं गुरुर्नैव शिष्यः चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम् अहं निर्विकल्पो निराकाररूपो विभुत्वाक् च सर्वत्र सर्वेन्द्रियाणां न चासङ्गतं नैव मुक्तिर्न मेयः चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम्.
My dear friend, just take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Hold that breath for a few moments. And slowly exhale from your mouth. Just get in the present moment. Move both your hands a bit, left and right. Keep your eyes closed. Yeah, beautiful. Keep your eyes closed. Just stretch your right hand. Yeah, please stretch your right hand with your eyes closed. Open the fist of your right hand and think about any goal that you truly want to achieve. Any goal. Maybe 3 months, 6 months, 1 year from a year onwards. Maybe related to your health, relationship, career, finances. Just see that goal. It is sitting in the fist of your right hand. Close your fist. Take it close to your heart. Yeah, take it close to your heart. Beautiful. And just say it loudly. Yes, I have done it. Yes, I have done it. Yes, I have done it. My dear friend, visualize this goal. That it has come true. And you're celebrating. You're not hoping for it to happen. It is done. Just visualize you're celebrating. This goal has been achieved. See what you can see, feel what you can feel, hear what you can hear. Step in that moment. Just see your body language, your face. You're looking so confident. You're feeling so happy. You have achieved the goal finally. Beautiful. Visualize. Enjoy it. Feel it. Enjoy it. Watch your face. क्या बात है खूबसूरत Fantastic. My dear friends, stretch your right hand one more time. Let's do this. Stretch your right hand one more time. Open the fist of your right hand one more time. And this time, think about a second goal. Another goal you want to achieve. Visualize that goal. It is sitting in the fist of your right hand. Yes, that goal is sitting in the fist of your right hand. Close that fist. Take it close to your heart. And say, I have done it. I have done it. I have done it. Visualize this goal, it has come true. You're not hoping or asking to God to make it happen. It is already done. Enjoy it, feel it. The goal has been achieved and you're celebrating it. Fantastic. Watch your face, your body language. You're feeling so wonderful as you have achieved the goal. Your friends and family, they are so proud of you. Beautiful. Fantastic. Enjoy it. Goal has been achieved. क्या बात है, you have done it, my friend. What a moment. Fantastic. Get both your hands down. Keep them in a very relaxed position. Keep your eyes closed. My dear friend, take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Hold that breath for a few moments. Fantastic. Exhale very slowly. Keep your eyes closed. Keep your eyes closed. My dear friend, just visualize a beautiful blue energy is coming from the heavens like a waterfall. A blue light is falling. It is entering inside of you. Just see this blue energy is entering inside of you. It is entering from the top of your head and it is going straight up till your feet. This blue energy is a divine energy of confidence. Just see your head till the feet, every cell of your body is filled with confidence. You are feeling absolutely confident about yourself. Feel this blue energy of confidence is entering inside of you. And just say it, feel that energy, this blue energy, and just say it. I am a confident person. I am a confident person. Say it loudly. Feel that blue energy, divine light entering inside of you. And just say, I am a confident person. I am a confident person. Feel this blue energy entering inside of you. Your mind has become confident. Your body has become absolutely confident. Your Atman has become confident. Feel this blue divine light of confidence is filling you up. And just keep on saying, I am a confident person. 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 Every cell of your body, just see this blue energy is filling you up completely. With the count of 10, you're completely filled with this blue light of confidence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. My dear friend, you're filled with absolute confidence inside of yourself. Keep your eyes closed on this beautiful morning. As we're finishing the meditation, I want you to write the script of this day. You are the writer of your destiny. From this moment onwards till you're going to sleep tonight, visualize your day. Just see yourself. You're moving confidently. You're getting your work done confidently. Visualize your day from this moment till you're going to sleep. Just see yourself. Randomly, even if it is blurred, just see yourself throughout the day with this blue light inside of you of confidence. You're doing everything so confidently. There's a charm in your personality. You're getting your work done with confidence. You're having a great conversation with confidence. Just see yourself from this moment till the afternoon, till evening, and then you're going to sleep tonight. Write the script of today. Write your right now. Feel it, enjoy it. Woohoo! There is confidence inside of you in every moment. It's afternoon. Slowly from afternoon, take it till the evening. And then you're going to sleep. Every work, हर काम बड़े आसानी से हो रहा है. The work is happening effortlessly. That is just confidence. What a beautiful day. Just see yourself. You're laughing, you're giggling. You've enjoyed your day. What a beautiful day. And slowly see yourself, you're getting into bed and going for a very deep good night sleep. क्या बात है, बड़ी खूबसूरती के साथ आप सो गए हो. My dear friend, take a deep breath. एक गहरी सांस लीजिए. Hold that breath for a few moments. And very slowly exhale from your mouth. Finally, say this beautiful prayer before you open your eyes. Just say it after me. Om Bhur Bhuva Swaha Tat Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yonah प्रचोदयात् Om. Beautiful. Get both your hands, get your palms in your eyes, get your palms on your eyes. Very slowly, very gently, बड़े सुकून के साथ, बड़े आराम के साथ अपनी आंखें खोलिए. Open your eyes very gently, very slowly with a smile on your face. Have a great time. Have a beautiful time. Hare Krishna. See you everyone tomorrow morning. I hope you had a great time. Love you all. Love you all. Everyone just type in the chat box. Love you all. Fantastic. LYA, just type love you all. Live this day with love in your eyes, with love in your heart, smile on your face, and courage in your eyes. Enjoy yourself. Love you all. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Voice was low. Okay, I'll check that technical thing. Thank you. Thank you, AT. Also, Shubham, kindly check on your phone, wherever device you're using, if you can just increase the volume there as well. I'll check on my side as well. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Hare Krishna.